Hello everyone, this is Secret Empress Tarot. Today I am going to do reading for Taurus for the month of December 2020. This will be reading for Sun, Moon and Rising sign. In case if this video resonates, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And let's start your reading, Taurus. So Taurus, I see the December month. I see that planets like Venus, Mars, Mercury and Sun, it's going to have a transit in your house, especially like 7th house, 8th house and the 12th house. And when it comes to a 7th house, I see Venus is in 7th house, which talks about partnership and marriage. I see you most of them getting a proposal when it comes to a marriage. For us, it's like some kind of a information regarding a partnership or a marriage. I see it's coming towards you. And the 8th house, when it talks about the 8th house, I see Mars is in 8th house. 8th house speaks about health. So I see that you are going to have some kind of a health issue for the month of December. It can be small health issue, especially the health, especially like a respiratory system, like breathing, like throat infection or anything regarding a respiratory system. I see you getting a health issue regarding that. When it comes to our 12th house, I see that Mercury and Sun is in 12th house, where 12th house speaks about the foreign trip or any kind of a traveling, or it can also talks about foreign opportunity, and also it can also talk about expenditure. So I see that you are spending a lot in the month of December, and also there's an opportunity in foreign trip or a foreign job. Whoever are applying for foreign job, I see you getting success in that. For us, it's like traveling. So when I look at your love and the relationship, when I look at that, I see that there's a lot of ups and downs in the month of December. I see that you are just it's not going in a smooth way in the December month. It's like your partner may feel like you're oversensitive towards them or over possessive towards them. So I see that moreover. And I also see that there may be an argument between you and your person for sure in the month of December. And I see that it's better for you not to involve in that argument or to remain quiet, so that it doesn't evolve into a big fight. So that's what I see when it comes to your love relationship. When it comes to your studies, people who are like studying in education field, I see that in the month of December there can be a negative fallout, like you may expect much marks in results in any subject, but you may not get that. Especially people who are writing exams, for them you'll not be satisfied with the exam you have written, and the marks also when you get, you are going to get less more than you expect. This may disappoint. So the advice is don't lose hope, just be trying. And when it comes to a career path, I see a very good successful in the career path. I do see that there are so many people who are coming towards you for some kind of advice when it comes to work, everything. I see like most of them getting a foreign opportunity. For us, it's like a traveling. Most of them, it can be like you are involved with a job which is involved with the traveling. For us, it's like in case if you're doing some job, people are going to give some kind of importance for you, and you may feel like all are just giving importance to you, and you're going to get a certain position in a company or a job. And just be careful about the people who are jealous, maybe a co-worker or something, but most of the people will be ready to learn from you. That's what the good news is. And when it comes to a finance and the money part, I do see that you're going to try to save money. For the most people, if you're wanting to save money in December month, it doesn't happen, because I see you spending more in the December month, more money, more expenditure you're gonna buy. So just be aware of spending more in the month of December. And when it comes to health, I already spoke about the health. Just be aware of health, just take care of your health. And just people who are being recommended with medicines and all, please have your medicines on time. So that's what I see, Taurus. Okay, Let me see your current situation. Four of Wands, Three of Swords, Seven of Wands, Five of Cups, King of Wands, Nine of Cups, Ace of Wands, and the Five of Wands. Okay. So in the present situation, I do see, Taurus, that most of them are not happy with the family situation or some kind of a commitment for most of them. I do see that. For some people, it can be like a third party influence, or something may have heartbroken you here. It can be a family situation or a marriage, or it can be a commitment with an individual here, may have brought you a lot of pain, due to which I see you just in the present situation blocking, not letting that pain affect you, and you're not happy about the past, whatever happened. You're not happy about the things which went in the past. You're not at all happy with that. So you're just blocking the commitment or a person here, so that you won't feel any kind of hurt, or you don't get more hurt from the situation. And you finally moving towards, I see most of them choosing to be single, taking care of yourself. For the rest, there's a forward movement. I see in the present situation wanting to move forward in a situation, especially leaving something behind, blocking that, and finally wanting to move towards something. For rest, I see that most of the time, I see that here, I don't see you just leaving a situation here, whichever you are, like with pain. I don't see you that, but you have pain from that. You are blocking that because you are hurt by the past something. So you are just wanting to have a new start, new beginning with this individual or someone else. For some people, somewhere else. But whatever it is, you're wanting a new beginning or new start. You are having a lot of conflict or emotional confusion. You don't know what you're doing. It's right. Most of the time there may be a situation where people giving their opinions and you are conflicted regarding forward movement, but there's an opportunity granted here, maybe towards this connection or towards some other thing, but you are conflicted. So that's what I see. Okay, let's see your energy and your person's energy for the month of December. Okay, let's start your reading, Taurus. So for your energy, you got the Seven of Wands, Six of Cups, King of Cups, and the Two of Coin. So what I say is, Taurus, even for the present situation, I saw that you are just guarded. I see in the December month also you are being guarded for sure. You do have a lot of emotion towards an individual here. You have a lot emotion, but I don't see you expressing that. I don't see you expressing that much. But even though you know you have emotion towards them, it can be like you them like a friend, or you are treating like others, like whoever in your life you're treating like them. You're not treating them like a special one. So instead, I see you just keeping everything inside, and I see you blocking this connection. You feel a soul tied with them, a soulmate connection, or this person may be already like been in your life, means you already maybe dealt with them. So it can be a situation like that, but I see you just blocking this connection, but you have a lot of emotion towards them, but still you're juggling. I see in the month of December still juggling whether to take action towards them or whether to remain quiet within yourself. So I see a lot of juggling here happening between you and your mind. There's a lot of things, like I think your heart may be telling to move and express them emotion, but your mind may be thinking like, no, it's not the right time, you may feel, right? But I see that you are having a lot of emotion towards them. Okay, when it comes to like them, they got the Knight of Swords, Eight of Cups, Seven of Cups, and the Fool card. So I see them, they're just not happy with whatever happened in a situation here. You may expect an argument. That's what I told in the starting. There can be an argument from your person, because I got the Knight of Swords. This argument between you and your person will lead to them walking away emotionally from this connection. And as soon as they emotionally walk away, they are like they may have options for some people. For others, it's like as soon as they walk away, they may feel like emotionally confused. They don't know what to do, like whether to leave a situation completely or whether to move on. But I see them finally moving on from a situation here, and I see them finally like leaving a situation and moving forward single, and they're ready to take action. For the rest who have options, they have options, means they're leaving the situation and moving towards the options or other opportunity in their life in the month of December. For the mutual energy, you got the Devil. For you and them, they got the Devil. There's some kind of a toxicity in this connection. You both have to go through regarding this toxicity and remove this toxicity. It can be like outside influence, or it can be like overthinking, or it can be like codependency, or it can also be like controlling a situation. So this all can be there, but you both are facing with a toxicity, but both are obsessed between each other, both are thinking about each other. And I see that also that there can be like a control issue also. So let me clarify the each cards. I see in the month of December acting like you don't want this connection, acting like you don't have any kind of interest. Plus I also see that rejecting a situation here. Instead you're blocking, very guarded, not letting this opportunity to be within you. Instead you're just rejecting that. For them, I see that they are just seeing a situation ended, or they are wanting to end a situation here for sure. They see a situation is not going anywhere, so they see them, they're wanting to communicate and wanting to end a situation with you. I see you just walking away, wanting to walk away from a situation, or there may be a past hurt. You had to walk away from that to get this connection. But I see you just trying to walk away from a situation here in the month of December. Yeah, I see you that walking away from a forward movement or something. You're just wanting to remain in this connection, not wanting any kind of a forward movement. Instead you're choosing to have a very stagnant energy between you and your person. Okay, I see them that their intuition may be telling them to walk away, and they finally choose to walk away here. They may be like even they may be hiding a lot of emotion towards you, and they may have been stressed about the situation, that the situation is not moving forward, and finally I see them deciding to emotionally walk away. And I see you just having a eager to make things right between you and your person. There may be a situation where you may have given much and you may have not received the same thing, so you may wanting that equal give and take. For the rest people, it's that you wanting to make things right when it comes to them. It is like, in case if you have more than one person, okay, for some people, if you have more than one person, you want to make things right with an individual here. You want to make things right between both, where you don't want to hurt an individual. You may be stuck because of that for some people. For the 7 of Cups, you got the 9 of Cups. They are like having another opportunity, and they are like very strong. They feel very strong inside, and they feel like they have a lot of opportunity, and they literally like living, like opening the doors for other opportunity in their life in the month of December. For the 2 of Coin, you got the Emperor. You're trying to control your emotion, your thing, for sure, not letting this talk, whatever it's there in your heart, you're not letting that to come out, due to which you may be juggling here. For the Fool card, you got the Fool card, they got the World, so they're ending things with you and they're moving forward for sure. There's a complete cycle here. For the Mutual Energy, the Devil, you got the Fortune Well, that is called Wheel of Fortune. So I see that you both are obsessed and you both are wanting a second chance in a situation here, wanting a restart between you both. But the thing is that both are not expressing here. So that's what I see, that's what is influencing here. You may be dealing with Sagittarius, Capricorn, Pisces, Virgo, Aries, Cancer, air sign. So let me see that what you're gonna, major emotion you're gonna face in the month of December. Strongly I feel like Taurus, for the most of them, I see there's actually like a family issue. Just be careful regarding that. Okay. Okay, when it comes to them, they got the encouraged, tired, and the calm. So these are the energy they're going to face for the month of December major. I see them just putting work or having encourage within them and having hope and just wanting to work things out with you. But I see them as like, even though they work, okay, they be putting work, in a certain time they're going to feel tired. They feel like they're not getting any kind of outcome in a situation here, and I see them, they're choosing to be calm. I don't see them putting any kind of effort. Starting, I see them like starting month of December, I see them just putting effort, but finally they are tired and they're like not putting any kind of work. So that's what I see. When it comes to you, you got the family issue, sympathy, and the angry. So it's like there may be a family issue for the certain time. Just be careful. For some people it can affect your family or something. Just be aware of that. It can influence you then. I see that there is a sympathy you're gonna feel regarding a person here. There's certain sympathy you're gonna feel, or some situation here. There may be like, it can be a person very close to you who are not okay, and you may feel sympathy towards them and you may be wanting to help them. So that's what I see. And I see like most of the part, I see you getting angry regarding a situation here, maybe like you are wanting them to put effort and they may not put effort, they may be in a calm situation, but you may feel like you are not, like you may feel very angry that they are not putting any kind of a effort here, and you may feel sympathy. It can be a situation where they may have put effort and they may feel tired, and you know that they are putting effort, but you may feel sympathy that yeah, they're putting effort, but I don't see you taking any kind of action here. So that's what I see. So I see most energy will be very like angry, not happy with the situation, how it is going, and you may feel sympathy towards someone and just be aware of family issues. So that's what I see, Taurus. And this will be your December reading. If this video resonates, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.